Hey guys, it's me Samir Ahmed. Welcome to our channel Tech Enthusiast, and today I'm back with another video. In this video I have a Macbook Pro 2016 model. So in this video I'm gonna unbox this MacBook. So first, this is the 13-inch model. It has Retina LED backlit display and 2.9 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5 with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB ROM. This is the touch bar model. So as you can see over here, it has a touch bar. So let's unbox this. I am using this MacBook and this gives 10 hours of battery backup, and this MacBook is great. So let's unbox this. Oh, we have the MacBook. Oh, this one is the space gray model, and let's just take it out. Over here I have the charger. So the charger, let's put over here. Here's the MacBook. So let's take it out and put it aside. Then let's check what's inside. First, we are gonna get this. Over here we have some paperwork. MacBook Pro. Yeah, I know how to use it. Apple. Oh, the two Apple stickers. I love this. Okay, so let's put this. Okay, here's the charger adapter, and this one is, oh, this one, I guess this one is 64 watt. This one has 61 watt. This one is 61 watt. And we also get USB type C. The MacBook will fully charge in 1.5 hours, like that. So which is good. It is good. So it's over here. It was, the USB was over here. So let's put this inside and let's check the MacBook. Let's first unwrap this. Okay, here's the MacBook, and over here we have two Thunderbolt 3 ports, and over here two Thunderbolt 3 ports and earphone jack. In the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus we don't get this, but in this MacBook it is. Okay, so let's put this inside. Let's open it. You can open it with one hand. Whoa, we also have this paper. Okay, as you can see over here we have a huge trackpad and it is easy to use. And over here we have a touch bar. You can increase the brightness or decrease it, and you can do pretty much everything with the touch bar, which makes everything do easier. As this is the 2016 model, in 2016 4K was the best. 1080p was good, but they gave 720p. They should at least give it 1080p, which I don't like. This was the unboxing of MacBook Pro 2016 model with touch bar. And if you like this video, give a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below what type of video you guys want to watch, and share this video to all of your friends, family. Okay guys, it's Samir Ahmed signing off. Peace out.